This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Chandra, Mohan, Gandhodi, Narayana, Swamy. A nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Kitchen features 42 inches cabinetry with eat-in area, refrigerator, range, microwave, dishwasher. Overlooking dining and large great room. Split floor plan. Spacious master offers dual sinks, garden tub, large shower. 2 walk-in closets. Lot of cabinets for plenty of storage. Ceiling fans in all bedrooms. The large dining and great room combo. Features a breakfast bar and opens to sliding glass doors, revealing the covered lanai located in the gated community of Oregon Trace. Convenient to I-4, 417, Seminole Town Center, Colonial Town Center.